Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into how to effectively add task comments and notes in Todoist. This is the complete guide for 2025, and we're keeping it simple and straightforward. We'll start by opening Todoist on your desktop or mobile device. Now, select the task to which you want to add a comment or note. This is the first step because it sets the foundation for all subsequent actions. Knowing which task you're focusing on helps keep your comments and notes organized and relevant. Once you've selected your task, look for the speech bubble icon, typically found on the right side of the task. Click on it to open up the comments section. The reason we do this is because this is where all your task-related discussions, ideas, and notes will be housed. It's like your task's personal chat room. Now that we've done that, it's time to add your comments or notes. Just type into the text box that says "Write a comment" and hit enter, or click on the send icon when you're done. Make sure to keep your notes succinct and clear. This helps us because it ensures we can quickly and easily understand what we meant when we revisit these comments or notes later. And here's a nifty little trick. Should you want to draw attention to a particular point in your comment, you can use Todoist's formatting options. These include bolding, italics, and bullet points. Just highlight the text you want to format, right-click, and select your desired formatting. This helps us because it allows us to emphasize important details, making our notes even more efficient. Remember, you can also attach files to your comments. Just click on the paperclip icon, select your file, and upload. This is important because it lets you keep all task-related materials in one place, making it easier for you to find what you need when you need it. And that's it. You've just learned how to add task comments and notes in Todoist. It's a simple process, but mastering it will help you keep your tasks organized and your productivity high. So, keep practicing, keep exploring, and you'll be a Todoist pro in no time. Thank you for tuning in. Remember, every step towards better organization is a step towards success. Until next time.